everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a Crank's baby stuff.
So today we're doing some tie-dye baby clothes. We have this awesome tulip tie-dye set which comes with everything that you need to tie-dye, including the rubber bands, and all the dye is pre-measured in bottles, so all you have to do is add water. We're also going to be using this set of 15 baby onesies that we got off of Amazon. They come in 3 different sizes. And a muslin blanket. We've done this activity at quite a few baby showers that we've hosted, and it's so fun. Everyone really gets into it, and then the mom-to-be comes out with a lot of handmade cool stuff for the baby. So it's a great project, and it's a little bit less cheesy than a lot of the typical baby shower games. So we're going to show you how we do it, a few different design ideas, and yeah, let's jump into it. Okay, so let's open up our tie-dye kit.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of colors.
Okay, so we have all of our colors.
And we have these.
We have a protective thing for the table, some gloves, and the rubber bands that you need. And then it also comes with this handy little project guide. You want to hold that? Okay. All right, so let's lay out our table protector to be ready to go. So the only other thing you're going to need is a bowl of water, and you need to soak all of your items in the water for about 10 minutes before you're ready to tie-dye. Alright, good to go. Alright, are you ready to tie-dye? So the first technique I'm going to show you is probably what most of you recognize as traditional tie-dye, and that's the spiral design. So to make the spiral design, all you do is pinch up a piece of the middle of the onesie, or whatever you're going to be tie-dyeing, blanket, whatever, and twist it into a spiral. Then you're going to secure it with your rubber bands like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pick your colors and just go from there, adding the dye. Okay, the next one we're going to do is a traditional bullseye design. So to do that, you'll do it just like you're starting the spiral. Pull up a pinch from the middle, and that's going to be the center of your bullseye. And so you'll tie a knot there. And you want to get these good and tight because this is going to be your defined lines here. And then you're just going to take this bunched up shirt, move down, and do the same thing again. And then this shirt's pretty small, so I'll probably only get one more ring on there, but you'll do that again. Then you'll go about and add the dyes to each section. Alright, the next one I'm going to show you is the sunburst design. So to do the sunburst design, you're just going to pinch up little circles just like we've been doing, but you're going to do it in different parts of the onesie, and each circle that you pinch up will be a different sunburst. So just pull up a pinch of it and tie a little knot there. Okay, it's ready to go. Alright, the next one I'm going to show you is how to do sort of a striped pattern. So there's a few different ways to do this, but I think the easiest is just to fold whatever you're dyeing into long pleats like this. And then you can secure the sections, and you'll just work your way up. Now the last design I'm going to show you is just called the crumple design. And basically, you're going to want to wrinkle up the shirt as much as you can, and then just do like it says, crumple it together, and then you'll just go about putting your bands around it. Product. The next step is to put all of your creations into plastic bags. This will keep them moist and keep the dye activated until you're ready to rinse. So now that you've waited at least 6 hours and you're ready to see your designs, you can rinse them out. So the best way to do this is to use cold water and first rinse the item that you tie-dyed with the rubber band still on. Then once the water starts to run a bit clear, you can unwrap them and unfold them and rinse them the rest of the way. Then you're just gonna pop those puppies into the washer. I use cold water and like a heavy soil setting, and I try to use a little extra water so it has enough to rinse with. So there we go. After a quick run through the dryer, you're ready for your big reveal.